Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of your karaoke text animation in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in the text and I'm just going to type in a lyric. Make sure you stream that, by the way, even though it has a lot of streams already, but why not? And then I am going to simply adjust it. Go to animation and go to the in animation and select the karaoke one, which is right here. And you're going to adjust the duration as well here. After that, you are going to right click, create compound clip, go to adjustments, and you're going to turn down the saturation, turn up the brightness, just leave the contrast, I think. Turn up highlights, turn up shadows, turn up whites just a little bit. And I think I'm going to leave the blacks in illumination. Go to media, go to library, go to background and select any color that you want. I'm going to select maybe this kind of gradient colorish. And I'm also going to rotate it and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Go back to video, go to blend mode, and then you're going to select overlay, or you can kind of like see which one suits the video the best, but I think overlay suits it the best. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!